Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a back to school video. I am officially back to school and I wanted to show you guys some items that I carry alongside with my books when I go to school. So I have an emergency kit. It's like specific to school, the essentials that I carry to school, just to ensure that in those moments of like emergency I am covered. So basically here is my emergency kit bag. It just says stay positive. I got this from the dollar store because I'm all about saving coins. This was like $1.25, so I'm just gonna go right up and show you guys what I carry. So the first thing that I carry in here is my deodorant. Oh my goodness, I love this deodorant. I always get the cucumber flavor, but this lavender is like so soothing. It's so like, it smells so good, and this will come in handy for the times when I get like sweaty and I feel like icky and I just want to feel a little bit fresh. I'm just gonna excuse myself, go to the washroom and apply some of this. The next thing I have in here is a pack of gum, because who doesn't need gum? You already know, like, our lectures are so long. They're like about 3 hours or more, and when you sit in class and the teacher is like more of like lecturing and your mouth is closed, like when you get to open it, like you get like a not so good smell. So this is where my pack of gum comes in hand. Honestly, I got this pack of gum from the dollar store, and I have in here like some hand cream. This is like, I got this I think from Bath and Body Works. This was like a set. If I didn't get this, I think I was gifted this. So basically I wash my hands a lot when I'm at school, whenever I use the washroom. And when you wash your hands like often, you tend to have like dry hands. So this comes handy. It keeps my hands moisturized and it smells so good. This is the Champagne Toast hand cream. The next thing I have in here is just a pack of hair ties, and more hair ties, guys. So I have like braids for school, and sometimes like the braids may be falling off, or I just need to like change up the style. I'll just go to like the washroom and I'll grab like hair tie and I'll fix up my hair. Oh yeah, or probably the hairstyle I did before going to school is like falling off, so I'll just like go into the washroom and fix that up. Another thing I have in here is a pad. This is like so essential. As a lady, you need to carry this. Even if you're not carrying it for yourself, you can be carrying it for someone who is in need. Because to be honest, even though we track our cycles and everything, sometimes it just doesn't come when we expect it to come. So you don't want to be caught unawares, especially in school. So when I get a pad. The next thing in here is basically just a hand sanitizer. I'm almost running out of this. I got this from Bath and Body Works. It smells so good. This is the citrus and aloe. It smells so good. I just feel like putting some on my hands right now. So I just have that in my bag. It's very convenient. If I'm in an area where I can have access to soap and water, I'll just use my hand sanitizer. And I have like some Vaseline just to keep my lips moisturized. I always have like gloss, like, or like a lip color that I use often. Just in case I don't feel like wearing a lip color, I'll just like switch it up with like my regular Vaseline. This stays in my bag always. I could always put in the lip color if that is the vibe for the day. The next item in here is just some painkillers. If I get cramps, I have a terrible headache while at school, I'll just take like one of these. The next thing in here is my sunscreen, obviously, because I tend to reapply it. I haven't been doing lots of reapplying because it's been raining a lot, but I just keep this in my emergency kit. The next thing I have in here is my tissues. Kleenex. If I have a drippy nose, if I want to go use the washroom sometimes, I'll just use this. And the last thing is this wet wipes. So I could use this if I'm like trying to sanitize like my desk, my area where I want to sit and study, or if I got like stuff in my hands that is like icky, I want to just like wipe it off or like clean it up as fast as possible. I just use this. Even if I have like a messy shoe or something, I'm just gonna use this. So yeah guys, pretty much this is what I carry to school every day. This is my essential emergency kit. The other stuff I'll like just like randomly throw in my bag, but this is basically my emergency kit. Like before leaving the house, I'll try to make sure I have this in my school bag, just so that I do not go and I'm like stranded in school, and I have my own stuff. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you are back in school, I'm wishing you a very prosperous, successful year. So see you guys on my next video. Bye.